If you're packing your bags to come to Canada, stop and watch this first. In this video, we'll walk you through what you need to bring, what you need to leave behind, things to pack, and things to know. First things first, before clothes, shoes, bags, let's talk about your documents.
Yeah.
And make sure you put all your documents in your carry-on bags, not your check-in bags. You
Yeah.
don't want to get stressed at the airport.
Yeah, true. So I remember one of my classmates put all his documents on
In the check-in
checking
bags.
bag, and he have to wait
My
to
goodness.
he can have all the documents
documents.
and pass the immigration.
Crazy.
Yeah, it was so stressful for him.
You don't want to be that guy.
Yeah, you don't want
wanna
to be
that
that
guy.
guy. So put all the documents in the
your
carry-on
carry-on
bag. You're gonna need all your documentations in immigration. So you're gonna have to have your passports, your passport size photos, your college offer letter, your proof of fund, your health insurance,
Right.
and all your academic documents. Right. Being all this organized will gonna make your arrival much more easier. And before you start filling all your suitcase, remember, anything you forget at your home can be brought here.
Now let's talk about clothes. This is where most students usually make mistake by
Yeah.
overpacking things in their luggage.
Yeah.
Before you come here, check thunder-based temperature and be sure on what to pack, because most of all you need, like jackets and gloves and all of that, can easily be brought here.
Yes. So if I tell my experience, I brought some of the jackets, winter jackets from India, and they are useless in here. Like it looks nice. I thought like I can bring it from my home and I cannot use it anymore. It's just like sitting in my closet for forever.
What I did was, my friend was waiting for me at the airport. She bought me a new jacket and it was from here, so it's very, very thick.
Yeah.
And can
Yeah,
it can actually take the weather.
totally agree. I would never gonna suggest anyone to buy winter jackets
Yeah,
from
don't
their
do
home
that.
country.
You don't want to do that to
Come
yourself.
here and brought it in Thunder Bay, because I'm assure you that the winter jacket is gonna be really cheaper
Yeah.
here compared to your home
Basically,
country.
you can always get from different stores when you get here. So my advice is, buy your winter gear here in Canada. Just pack your regular clothes that you can wear around the campus, your regular clothes, and then buy your winter gear where you can actually layer them on whenever you're here.
Let's talk about the electronics. If you have a laptop in your home country, bring it here. It's much cheaper than just buying a new one in Canada, right? And always remember to bring universal adapter, because the power plug in Canada are different than compared to your home country, so you cannot use it, right?
Do you know most of my chargers have bags in the garbage right now, because I can't even use them. Like it's useless. So you need to get a universal adapter or something.
Yes, you're going to also use this in airport too if your phone got died, right? So, and the next thing is like bring your headphones, because headphones are like investments. It's gonna help you a lot. It's gonna help you in a focus. It's gonna help you in a mood. And I bring it from my home, and I'm still using it. It's been more than a year.
Right? I have the same. The wire ones.
Now here's the part nobody tells you about it. Bring something that you cannot get it here, something which is comfortable, something you attach to, like your favorite hoodie, your homemade spices, your
family photos.
Yeah, your family photos, right?
And then one thing also, like for Nigerians, like bring a lot of gari, granules, like African made, snacks that you can bring in here, because most of the time you can't get to here. So instead of calling home when you get here, try and pack some, and then when you're out, you can easily call home again for them to restock for you and all that, because these are things that you most likely might not get here.
Yeah, same goes for Indians. Like, so if you have like your mom or your grandmother is making homemade masalas, bring that masalas, because some of the things you cannot get it here. And if you're feeling homesick, you can just make the same recipe as your mother used to do, so you don't get homesick. So bring some basic medicine. If you have any medical conditions, always remember to take your prescription with you.
Yeah, and also for Nigerians, make sure you come with aboniki, the rub. Like, it's so effective here. Like, I've been using it. There was a time I had muscle spasm. It was just what I rubbed here, and I couldn't get that particular rub here in Canada. So these are things you should just take note of. Like basic things, like the littlest things, like you think you'll be able to get here, are things that you will not get. I promise you. So check very well. Okay.
So now let's talk about what not to bring.
Yeah, so you don't come with too many books, beddings and towels, rice and kettles, pots. You don't need any of these things. Like,
Yeah.
don't pack too heavy, and they don't come with too much
Yeah.
cash in hand.
Yeah.
You can have them in your bank account, but don't come with too much cash.
Yes, sir. That's totally right. Like Canada is so cashless. I barely
Yeah.
use the cash I bring
You
from India.
definitely be tapping
Yeah.
from your phone most of the time.
Yes. Yeah. So everything is cashless here, so you don't have to have much cash. So most of these things can be brought it here, right? So always remember that document first, pack light, grab your comfortable clothes, your everyday clothes, and buy your winter gears in Canada. Don't bring it from home.
Bring your laptops, your medicine, your adapter, and feel comfort from home.
Yeah.
This brings us to the end of this video. We cannot wait to welcome you in Thunder Bay and
Yes.
Confederation College. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and also please remember to subscribe, like, and share, and send to your friends. Thank you. See you next time.